Have you ever checked your bank account near the end of the month and wondered where all your money went? Not. Not because you bought a new car. Not because you booked an expensive vacation. Not because you made some huge financial mistake. But somehow, despite working hard all month, your account balance is much lower than you expected. Maybe it was a few food deliveries, a couple of online purchases, a subscription you forgot about, a coffee here, a snack there, a few things that seemed harmless at the time. Individually, none of those purchases felt important. But together, they quietly drained your wallet. And that's what makes money so interesting. Most people think financial success comes from one big decision: getting a better job, starting a business, making more money. But in reality, financial success is usually the result of small decisions repeated over and over again. The same is true for financial problems. Most people don't become financially stressed because of one terrible decision. They become financially stressed because of small habits that slowly work against them every day. Today, we're going to talk about 7 money habits that quietly keep people stuck financially. And as we go through them, I want you to ask yourself one question. Which of these habits sounds most like me? Because fixing just one of them could completely change the way you manage money. Let's start with habit number 1. Habit number 1, not knowing where your money goes. Imagine I handed you a notebook and asked you to write down every dollar you spent last week. Could you do it? Most people can't. And that's not because they're bad with money. It's because they're not paying attention to it. Think about yesterday. How much did you spend? How much of that spending was actually necessary? Most people have no idea. And when you don't know where your money is going, it's almost impossible to control where it ends up. Imagine 2 people earning exactly the same amount. One tracks every expense. The other spends without paying attention. Fast forward 1 year. Who do you think has more money saved? Usually it's not the smarter person. It's the person who pays attention. Because awareness changes behavior. The moment people start tracking their spending, they naturally begin making better decisions. Not because someone forced them to, but because they finally see what's happening. So here's a challenge. For the next 7 days, write down every purchase you make, every coffee, every snack, every online order, everything. You might be surprised by what you discover. Habit number 2, lifestyle inflation. Imagine getting a raise tomorrow. Your income goes up by 20%. How would you react? Most people immediately start thinking about what they can buy: a better phone, a better apartment, a nicer car, more nights out. And that's exactly why many people never feel richer, even when they earn more money. Their income increases, but so do their expenses. Think about it. Have you ever met someone who earns twice as much as they did 5 years ago, but still complains about money? It happens all the time, because every time their income grows, their lifestyle grows with it. Instead of creating financial freedom, they create bigger monthly bills. The problem isn't enjoying your money. The problem is upgrading your lifestyle every single time your income increases. A smarter approach is simple. The next time your income goes up, pretend it didn't. At least for a few months. Give yourself time to build savings before increasing your spending. Future, you will be grateful for it. Habit number 3, buying things to impress people. Let's be honest. Almost everyone has done this at some point. Maybe it's expensive clothes. Maybe it's the newest phone. Maybe it's a car that costs more than you can comfortably afford. The funny thing is that most people are too busy worrying about themselves to care what you're driving or wearing. Think back to last week. Can you remember what shoes most people around you were wearing? Probably not. Because people don't pay nearly as much attention to us as we think they do. Yet every year, people spend thousands trying to look successful. Imagine what would happen if that money stayed in your account instead. Financial peace is far more valuable than temporary approval from strangers. Before buying something expensive, ask yourself one question. Would I still want this if nobody else ever saw it? If the answer is no, you may be buying it for the wrong reason. Habit number 4, waiting for the perfect time. A lot of people tell themselves the same story. I'll start saving when I earn more. I'll start budgeting next month. I'll start managing my money when life settles down. But here's the problem. There is always another excuse. There is always another reason to wait. The perfect time rarely arrives. Imagine someone who wants to get fit, but they keep waiting for the perfect Monday, the perfect workout plan, the perfect schedule. Years go by, and nothing changes. Money works the same way. Progress usually starts with imperfect action, not perfect planning. You don't need to save a huge amount today. You just need to start. Even a small step is better than standing still. Habit number 5. Having no emergency fund. Life has a habit of surprising us. A car repair, a broken phone, a medical bill, an unexpected expense that appears out of nowhere. And when that happens, many people panic. Not because the expense is massive, but because they weren't prepared for it. Imagine your car suddenly needs repairs tomorrow. Would you have enough money to handle it comfortably? If not, that's where an emergency fund becomes important. Think of it as a financial shock absorber. It doesn't stop problems from happening. It simply prevents small problems from becoming financial disasters. Start small. Your first goal doesn't need to be huge. Even a modest emergency fund can create a lot of peace of mind. Habit number 6. Believing small amounts don't matter. Have you ever said something like this? It's only $5. It's only $10. It's not a big deal. The problem is that those small amounts rarely stay small. They repeat, again, and again, and again. Imagine spending just $10 every day on things you don't really need. Doesn't sound like much, right? Now multiply it by 30 days. Then 12 months. Suddenly, it's a number that gets your attention. Financial success is rarely built through one giant decision. It's built through hundreds of small decisions. And those decisions add up whether they're helping you or hurting you. Habit number 7. Having no financial system. This might be the biggest mistake of all. Because without a system, everything becomes harder. Bills get forgotten. Savings become inconsistent. Spending becomes emotional. Imagine trying to stay healthy without any routine. No plan for meals, no exercise schedule, no structure. Most people would struggle. Money is exactly the same. The people who manage money well usually aren't financial geniuses. They simply have systems. They know where their money goes. They save automatically. They review their finances regularly. And because they have a system, they don't have to rely on motivation. Now here's the good news. You don't need to fix all 7 of these habits today. In fact, trying to change everything at once usually doesn't work. Instead, pick one. Just one. Track your spending. Build a small emergency fund. Create a simple budget. Cut one unnecessary expense. Start somewhere. Because small improvements create momentum. And momentum creates results. The people who become financially successful aren't always the people who earn the most money. They're often the people who consistently make good decisions with the money they already have. So before you leave, I want to know something. Which of these 7 habits affects you the most right now? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, because every week we talk about simple ways to manage money, build better habits, and create a more secure financial future. Remember, financial success isn't built in a day. It's built through small choices made every single day. And the best time to start making those choices is today.